here we got another eBay package. Like a few more packages coming in. More like one more, I think. Not entirely sure. I couldn't get the shipping label off this one, so I'm gonna be careful. I might have to pause. Maybe not. Fun hurts. Definitely not. So I just ordered some more 2 to 3 Chrome adapters. One, so I need to add like extra like GE outlets and the outlets are only 2 Chromes on the extension cords, and plus nothing else to say actually. I think that's it. I need to say any more than one thing. Here's the inside of the package. Nothing in there. So yep, this is it. Thanks for watching.